What is the Prenatal and Postnatal Series? We just launched the Prenatal and Postnatal Series, so we kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit, so if you wanted to share it with your friends. So prenatal, I'm certified to teach prenatal, but one of the feedbacks I've heard from a lot of pregnant goddesses, as well as myself when I was pregnant, who have been doing yoga for a long time before they were pregnant, is that a lot of prenatal yoga is gentle yoga, which is wonderful, and sometimes we want to have a little bit of heat. So we've launched this series. Why I decided to create this series is I wanted to offer to my seasoned yoginis, right, some more fiery practices to be able to do on the days when you're feeling strong, as well as countering it with being able to have more mellow classes when you're feeling tired. We also did 4 trimesters instead of 3. The 4th trimester is after you give birth to the baby. We did a whole series on helping to strengthen, integrate, and also slow down after having a baby. So I created that series after I gave birth to my daughter. And so that's a series that we just launched. Can I do the classes if I'm new to yoga? So so we did 5 classes for every trimester. 3 classes are open level and or beginner classes. And then 2 of the classes are more stronger practices for those who are seasoned. So absolutely you can do it. Can I, who would benefit from these classes? Can I do the classes even if I'm not pregnant? Yes. Lots of people actually on the Practice with Clara site do the prenatal classes, even if they're not pregnant, because what we're focusing on most of the time is strengthening the back and strengthening arms and legs, which everybody really needs. So it's open to everybody. What are benefits of practicing while pregnant? I think the biggest benefit is the opportunity to connect to your body and kind of see how you're doing that day. Because I find for myself and also for other pregnant goddesses, there's kind of a lot going on in life, it was for me at least. And so yoga, as in regular life, it gave me the opportunity to connect and also see what was working and what wasn't working in my body that day. And really, again, that's for everybody. But yes, pregnant. How is the Practice with Clara Prenatal Series unique? I went through that before. What do you focus on during your pregnancy in terms of yoga practices? So I focus mostly on strengthening back, strengthening the pelvis, just to support the baby, and also doing a lot of pranayama and meditation, specifically to connect to the baby that is inside of you, as well as to your own breath, which will help during labor. Any mindfulness tips for expecting yogis? Slow down, breathe deep, and to the best of your ability, be present to the process. How do I get the prenatal series? So it's on the Practice with Clara. If you have a membership with us, it's included in the membership. Or we also have packages, prenatal packages. If you'd like to either offer it to a friend or just do the prenatal series, then you can just do it. We have bundles where you get unlimited access to just that series. And you can check all of that out on practice.clararobertsoss.com.